today we're going to be going over CBRN 1 through 4 report. Condition, given GTA 0306008 in a classroom environment, students will produce CBRN reports 1 through 4 with info provided. Given the slides. Standard, provide technical description, understanding, and creation of CBRN 1 through 4 reports with examples. So we will be going over a little bit of everything and how to do it.
Actually, so we have one person actually do the exercises.
Yeah, you get to do the
Yeah,
exercise.
this is the exercises.
We didn't have
We
enough.
have one person, so we can do it actually. Give us 1 second. We'll give you actually the materials for you to do it.
Boy.
Yeah, you're special.
Thank you.
Here you go. You need that. You have a pencil, pen.
Yes, sir.
Great. You have to do the exercise now. Okay, cool.
You're up.
So we're going to do CBRN 1 first. CBRN 1 is the most widely used report because it can be filled out by anyone who sees an incident, either that being nuclear, radiological, biological, or chemical. So, for example, if I'm on a mountain doing a patrol and I saw an explosion in the distance, I'm allowed to go up to headquarters and say, hey, I saw this, I'm going to send a CBRN 1 report. And also the notation is that if, for example, you're suffering an attack and all your alarms go off, for example, for your JCADs, however, you did not see the actual incident, you have to inform higher with a spot report and then verify the detector equipment before sending a CBRN 1 report, because it's possible that it was a false alarm from your JCADs. So, CBRN 1 report is composed of Bravo, Delta, Foxtrot, Golf, India, and Mikey Romeo. No. There we go. Okay, now go over every single line which is required for CBRN 1 report. You can always use like Alpha and Yankee and Zulu, but Bravo, Delta, Foxtrot, Golf, India, and Mikey Romeo are the required ones for CBRN 1 report. So let's start. For location, observed, and direction of attack or event. So this indicates where you are located when you observe the event that occurred. Explosion, chemical weapon going up, all that stuff. So for example, you would denote your grid coordinates and the degrees that you saw the incident. So for example, I'm at these coordinates right here, and something's going off over there, and I see it over there, I would indicate it's at 90 degrees. So that's where I saw it happen, the degrees that I saw it at. Then your DTG, date time group of attack of detonation, and attack end. Simple enough. You would know when you saw the attack occur or incident, and when it ended. So that would be first your time, then your month, then your date, actually date, month, then year, and then concluding with that would be when you saw it occur end. So if it started at like, I don't know, 2015, you saw an explosion, the explosion lasted like until the bloom go up and everything came down like 5 minutes, you would say that it concluded at 2:20. Next one, Foxtrot, location of attack or event. This is an estimated, it's not exact, it's estimated. So for example, if I, from this coordinates over here, saw the attack at 90 degrees, I can set an azimuth and determine on a map where that maybe occurred. It's an estimate. So you would denote that with the grid coordinates and with EE, indicating an expected area, indicating it's not an exact predicament. Golf indicates your delivery and quantity information. This will indicate what you observed to occur. So for example, I saw an airplane come by, one airplane, so you say air 1, and it dropped 2 bombs, so I'd say bomb 2. And also, in your legend actually, it gives you various examples of what can be known. It could be unknown, it could be aquatic in nature, it could be a drone. All that is in the legend of your GTA. Following by that, we have release information. So this would be information, for example, how you detected it. If you were able to, you will indicate what you detected with your equipment. So we indicated that it was air, so air. Then we say it was nerve agent, SNVX, that is in your legend. And that could be various things. It could be nerve agent, it could be bio, it could be nuclear. It all depends what you detect. MPDS was what was used to detect it. P indicates it's a precipitate, so it's precipitating. And pre means presumption. Mike Romeo is description and status of CBRN incident. So, for example, if it's still off-gassing the chemical, it would say it's still active. If it's a liquid, we would say it's liquid. If it's a vapor, we would say it's vapor. course, there's a lot more options that you can choose from your legend, depending on what exactly is the attack or the incident you are observing. And poof indicates.
So puff is basically if it was like a quick just burst of air or different things, or like in this case a liquid, so just a little bit is coming out at a time. So just quick, small, quick amounts of it.
And in your legend, that is also
Yeah.
giving you a list of all the options you can choose from.
What are your other options other than like puff?
I think it's gust.
Gust, you have like cloud, you have quite a few.
There's like over 20
Sorry.
options to
Yeah.
choose from. They're on the legend,
Yeah.
which you will be using.
Whatever that is.
Next. One more time. Okay, my friend, this is your exercise. Given the information provided and the GTA you have on hand, you will have to fill out a CBRN report.
Okay.
You done one of these before?
Wow, man. Yeah.
You got this, we'll help you out.